Today I'm going to show you how to polish up yellowing headlights. Hola! This is my daughter's car. She's complaining that she couldn't see very well down the road, and I can see why. I can barely see the headlight itself through this yellowed lens. Not all cars have this problem, but Lexuses do. UV rays yellow it up. I've got a kit where I can polish it up. We'll see how good it works. This is my daughter's fourth car this year. She started the year with an Acura TL and she blew the transmission. Then I got her a 2007 Toyota Solara, which 3 days later she smashed into a truck. Then I got her a Matrix 2008, and this car looked like brand new. It only had 100,000 miles on it. She flipped that one over on the highway. Scary. So I gave her my car and I bought the Mustang. First thing, tape up the body with blue tape. When we're sanding this down, we don't want to accidentally hit the paint. You want to use blue tape. You don't want to use duct tape. Masking tape might work, but it might not come off too well. This is painter's tape. This is designed to come off. Got my drill, got my sanding disc. This is 1500 grit. And first thing we're gonna do is sand this down. I'm gonna try 1500 grit first. I might need to bump it down to 800 grit, but this isn't really bumpy. I just have to take off a really thin film here. Just water. So far, nothing special. Hey, look, it already looks better. So I've got a new angle here. The driver's side is done, but we missed a couple of videos because my phone filled up. So I deleted some videos, got some space back, and we're continuing on here on the passenger side, which is caught up. I've just gone over it with 3000 grit, and now I'm about to use this power plastic from Mothers. This came in the kit. That came with this nice sanding disc, and now I've got the polishing wheel on it. So I'll squirt a little bit of this on there. It says about a nickel's worth. That looks like about a quarter's worth. Then we polish. This made a bigger mess than you even see here. The polish got all over the car, the engine compartment, the floor, my tools, and my face. I did two things wrong. It's too much polish on the buffer. Use a nickel's worth, not more. You can always add more. And second, push the buffer up against the surface before turning on the drill. I would avoid that. Next, I have this final polish, headlight restorer from Chemical Guys. This is supposed to get rid of the yellow and perhaps protect it a little bit. It says 3 drops, but it does not come out in drops. It comes out like that. There ain't no drops. And then you just rub this in manually. Couple quick tips before the wrap up here. I'm using an electric drill instead of my cordless drill. I don't think my cordless drill could go through all this without using up the battery. Maybe if you got a DeWalt or something. And I've got the splash pan down there. That's what I use for oil changes. And as you can see, some stuff has dripped on the floor. It wasn't as messy as I thought it might be, but better safe than sorry. You might be able to get away with some cardboard or something. And there you go, crystal clear, or at least more clear. Good as new or almost as good as new, whatever. I think she's going to be able to see probably about 30% better, so it's worth it. If this car was more special and not just a day-to-day driver that I'm afraid my daughter will wreck, I would have taken my time on this. I've got a few scratches on there. You can see a few circles from the 1500 grit, but this isn't for style and looks. This is for function. It's so she can see better. But that's it. It didn't take that long. I was surprised. And so if I do have to do it every 6 months, not too big a deal. Hopefully once a year. I'll probably do it every summer from now on. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, I'm glad. And if you subscribe to this video, I'm even more glad. Regardless, see you next time.